Hi there, my name is Maddie. Welcome back to a new YouTube video. Hi, my name is Maddie.
Good morning. So here's the biz. Simon's daylight went out, which is kind of sucky. So I was afraid he's gonna like die. No monsters today. Get some music going. Working on that grind, man. There's part of me that wants to play Heathers, but then there's this other part of me that's like, Maddie, you're so annoying. It's probably true. Heathers it is. I have it online, but like I don't like it like that because I like to skip through certain songs, if you know what I mean. Kindergarten boy sucks. There's someone strong who could protect me. His finger fester and infecting. Pollution is a lie. No one here deserves to die. Different. We don't choose who lives or dies. Stop! There's already people. I'm putting on this simple protecting moisturizer because it's gonna be hot outside. There's gonna be sun and I don't want to get wrinkles. For actual primer, I'm gonna be using the Professional Matte Rescue. The Brow Drama Palette by Maybelline. The shade Deep Brown because I like to have dark eyebrows. Doesn't they look kind of weird? Clearly. Cosmetics by my Under Eye Concealer. This literally took like half an hour to do my eyeliner. I'm gonna do the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This shit smells like paint, but it's a hot full coverage foundation, So for powder, I'm gonna use the Fit Me powder by Maybelline. I'm just gonna be using the Chocolate Soleil bronzer by Too Faced. I'm gonna bake. For blush, I'm going to use Tarte's Quirky MAC Fix Plus to set my face. For highlight, I'm going to be using ColourPop's Flexitarian. I love this highlighter. Morphe M510. You catch my drift? For top lashes, I'm going to be using Better Than Sex mascara. Bottom lashes, I'm going to use Maybelline's The Falsies. Glossier's CoconutBomb.com. Finished with makeup a little while ago. Like a mess. It's fine though. I literally want to die. I'm kind of just waiting for mine to get back to our house so I can escape mine. It clearly isn't my day today. I just want to go skating, leave my family alone, but it's fine. I can't do that. Family time comes first. Love that. Hi. Halsey and Jeezy broke up. My life fulfilled. Booty house. Hey y'all, huge wardrobe change. I'm leaving my house right now because here's the thesis. So I just kind of left. Now I'm meeting Maya at the park. Hi. Good, how are you? I can't do this. I think I might die. Today's the day Maddie's gonna die. That's what's gonna happen. Now I'm walking home alone by myself. Don't know what I'm gonna do when I get home.
Yo, what's up?
Jay chilling, you know, catch my drift. Waiting for these damn fireworks to start. There's like live music. These people are setting off fireworks and it's loud. Yeah, no. Hey guys, Lame Boy Maddie forgot to film the fireworks, but I will insert pictures here. Guys, so it was kind of a little bit of a lame vlog, but still a vlog, am I right? Like, comment, and subscribe because I need all the money I can get. Love you guys.